The big game is right around the corner. If you plan on watching, I want you to be on the lookout for this ad.
Whoa. The biggest ads of the year are finally here. A huge celebration of creativity on the world's biggest stage. After months of hard work and millions of dollars, they really outdid themselves. But now, with Artlist AI tools, you too can create high-end video production. All you need is a good idea. Heck, we bought this ad spot a week ago and made it in 5 days for just a few $1,000s. So, what's your idea? Go to artlist.io and start creating without limits.
This ad was created with the Artlist AI Toolkit. Now, here's the crazy part. Artlist made this ad with just 5 days notice, which is unheard of for an event this massive. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today's gonna be a different kind of video. We're gonna be breaking down Artlist's upcoming Super Bowl ad, showing how they pulled this off using AI, reacting to the parody versions of other major commercials they also made with the same toolkit, and by the end of the video, I'm inviting you to do the same thing. Artlist is running a $60,000 challenge. Create your own ad using the Artlist AI Toolkit, post it, and you've got a shot at winning $60,000. This challenge is going to end February 18th. The full details, of course, are going to be in the description. Now back over to the ad. So let's say I want to replicate this kind of a scene.
Whoa. The biggest ads of the year are finally here.
But I want to make it my own. So I'm just back over on artlist.io. Once you log in, make sure you have the AI Toolkit selected, and you can come on over and click on the new session on the left-hand side. So I'm going to take this image from that ad. I'm going to make sure I have image selected on the left-hand side. I've got my polar bear uploaded, and I'm going to describe the image I want to create. So here is my prompt. I want to swap out the polar bear with a panda bear wearing a birthday hat. I also want to swap out the picture on the mirror so it's panda bears. Keep everything else the same. Let's click on the model selection below, and I'm gonna go with Nano Banana Pro for this one. I want it 16:9, 1K, and let's do 2 images. Let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, let's have a look. These are our 2 images, and they look fantastic. We've got a perfect swap from the polar bear to the panda bear, and everything else is the same. We even had the nice little picture on the mirror as well. Now I'm gonna come on over to my image, and I'm gonna click on Generate Video. Once I click on Generate Video, my prompt box is gonna swap over to video. So we have our start frame selected now. I'm gonna come on over to our models. Let's go with Kling 3.0 Pro, and I'm gonna enter in my prompt idea. Now, all you have to do is describe your scene. I'm going with a cinematic backstage scene. The panda is on his phone, quick makeup touch up, and our panda is reacting to the 5-day deadline. Let's go 16:9, audio. I'm gonna go with a 12-second generation. Let's go ahead and punch this in.
They said only 5 days. That's it? That's more than enough time.
There we go. There is our scene reimagined with the AI Toolkit. And I'm talking about the same AI Toolkit Artlist used to make their big game ad in 5 days. Now, the Artlist team didn't just stop at this ad. They also created parodies of this year's other big commercials. So let's have a look.
What you doing?
Just creating some ads.
What ads?
Some of the most iconic big game, big budget ads of all time. Before today,
it took ages
and burned through millions of dollars. Now with Artlist, the leading platform for AI video creation, the old rules just broke. All you need is a big idea.
I'm on a pinata.
What
Go to Artlist and start creating without limits.
Big game ads, am I right? They're bombastic and outrageous. They take months and cost millions. Not everyone could make one, but that was the old way. With Artlist AI tools, anyone can create high-end video productions. You too, Steve. So go to Artlist and start creating without limits.
And these are absolutely fantastic. Everything you're seeing lives inside the Artlist AI Toolkit. The only variable is your creativity. And now it's your turn. As I mentioned, Artlist is running a $60,000 challenge. All you have to do is create your own big game style ad using the Artlist AI Toolkit, post it, tag Artlist, and you've got a shot at winning $60,000. So just head on over to Artlist, go ahead and make your ad, and you could win 60K. Now with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.